Welcome to Space Inset Solutions. We're over in Tadcaster in Yorkshire. Just going to refit this Starlink that's been fitted by somebody else. Typical electrician. Stick to your electricals. Anyway, that was fitted, completely obstructed. So I'm going to fit that round the side. Anyway, the dish is moved now. It's got a clear line of sight. Currently getting about 240 meg off it, so also what the customer wants it. There's a little access point there to cover his garden. And into his jacuzzi room. There you go, much better being installed. Need an installation? Feel free to get in touch.